To set up printer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter connections right here, and after that you will be able to find more connection settings on the bottom. There's the printing, and if you enter printing, you will need to enter pairing mode on the printer you have. So best way to do it is just to find a name for your printer and then Google exact phrase of your printer name and then how to enter pairing mode. Some printers will have different options for pairing mode like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or even a cable. When you have pairing mode active on your printer, then you can try to select default print service, make sure that it's on, and then it will begin searching for your printer. Now, in case that your printer is not found here, there's one thing that you can try. Click on download plugin, and then in this list look for a printer brand that you have. If there's printer brand from your choice, you can then select it, and when you download this plugin, it will show up again back in the settings in the printing service. You can then select it and again scan right here. That way your printer should be found. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.